inside competition. Guinness. Sounds like inside competition. Grab a cold Guinness and enjoy Guinness Sounds of Greatness every Saturday at 9:30 p.m. on TVJ. Must be 18 years or older. Drink responsibly.
This week is Coppershot versus Black Blood, right? So you know, say Coppershot are the town sound and Black Blood and country. Yeah, nigga. Alright, so how do you think the competitors going to do tonight?
Honestly, first of all, that one, the internet, I talk about more than any other one. So I feel like the two sound them, I will make sure they bring 100% because they must see on the internet. Did you know that they have a thing on Facebook called Sound Man or Sound System something, and every sound seems to be in that group. So they must say the group just like one man, like back and forth. Say them sound.
You can make it one broadcast message, you know.
Yeah.
Coppershot say no, say Black Blood talk a day tonight.
Yeah. The two sound them, man. This Saturday, I'm wicked.
So any expectations? What you expect?
I just expect a whole heap of custom dub. And that I expect tonight. I bet you a whole heap of custom dub tonight.
Alright, and your opinion on the judges tonight, which is DJ Sunshine and Colin Hines. What's your opinion on the being judges for tonight's clash?
Colin Hines is a legend, first of all. You can't go wrong Colin Hines. Colin Hines is a perfect judge. Sunshine, she'll do her thing for many, many years. And I'm absolutely sure she's going to judge it accordingly. So, yeah, man, the judges them good, man.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling pretty, I love what I'm wearing, I'm looking forward to fabulous show.
Speaking of what you're wearing, what are you wearing?
I am wearing my box, thanks to my stylist, Sean. She picked this up for me. Isn't it cute?
It's hot.
Yeah, and I want to thank my glam squad, Marsha Robinson over here, and Mark Males. They're at AHITDS.flv.
Can I tell you, you look hot. How are you enjoying the show? I mean, hosting?
I'm having a good time. I'm warming up to it. The sun clashing in my heart, so you can't go wrong. It's pure fun, pure vibes. Look nice things.
Alright, so tell the fans a little insight about you. Who is Shamil Blake?
Shamil is a mix of people. Shamil can be very shy at times, but she can be confident and bold. So, I'm a down-to-earth girl, I love my friends, I love my family. I love the spotlight, but not really.
Actually, it was nice talking to you. Take care. If you're a betting kind of person, right? If you're a betting man, who would you put your money on? Black Blunt or Coppershot?
If I was betting, and there's no 50-50.
No 50-50.
It's because I know Coppershot's preparation. I know Coppershot's preparation.
No, man,
but I know, hold on, man, but I also know Black Blunt's reputation. It's going to be hard to say, but from what I've seen from preparation side, why, I'd have put my money on Coppershot still.
One Coppershot?
Mad thing, is it? Mad thing, mad something, man. Wow,
Alright, so how are you feeling about the clash tonight?
Well, if you skill him, I am willing. Okay, that's what I said. Where's the voice?
You want to show like a dead man. Definitely.
Don't worry, I can't talk over, beg out nor buy out. Oh. Bring a bus load, come here, go ship them out. Yeah, they're here. What do you say? Come on, Jim.
Well, you can see you're full of vibes. You're ready, kids. So, have you ever clashed Black Blunt before?
No, we never clash. We never clash.
Never clash?
No, we never clash.
Alright, so how do you prepare for tonight's clash?
Yeah. Well, here now you Guinness youth. All you gotta do is just look and see. Just watch the clash later. We're not gonna let all them through. Just watch the clash. And you see how the preparation going.
Alright, so what we can look forward tonight, what the people can expect.
Alright, you know a Coppershot is a juggling zone, right? Nobody don't really know about we like that in the clash arena. So we are uptown zone, and the only uptown zone in this, right? Coppershot is not uptown zone, but worldwide. So watch out for it later. Expect sky's the limit. You hear that? Alright.
Alright, Coppershot, I guess they catch up with you after the clash. Good luck.
Yeah, so you know that's it, you have taken too much time, so it's like, yo, what I get this? Yo, out.
What about Black Guns? How you feel about the clash? How you feel about the clash?
Everything dead! God bless me!
Well, in comes a thing called Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Catch it every single Saturday night on TVJ at 9:30. Guinness, reach for greatness.